Melt away stress in 2 minutes. Mind Body 365 Meditation. Hey, it's me. Hey, it's me. If you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just a little bit heavy, take a breath with me. Today, I want to guide you through a simple meditation to release stress and anxiety, not just in your mind, but throughout your entire body. So, settle into a comfortable seat. Maybe you're outside, surrounded by nature, or just picturing yourself in a peaceful garden. Close your eyes if you can. Now take a deep breath in. Feel your lungs expand, your chest rise. Hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly, letting any tension slip away. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale, even slower this time. Let your shoulders drop. Let your face soften. Notice any spots in your body that feel tight or heavy. Maybe your neck, your back, your jaw. Picture a gentle wave of calm washing over those spots, relaxing each muscle, each cell. As you breathe, imagine with every inhale, you're drawing in peace. And with every exhale, you're releasing anxiety, stress, anything you don't need. If thoughts come up, that's okay. Just watch them float by like clouds. No judgment, no pressure. Bring your attention back to your breath. Now, gently scan your body from head to toe. Notice how you feel. Lighter? Calmer? That's your body responding to mindfulness. Take one more deep breath in, fresh, healing air. Exhale fully, letting go of everything that's weighing you down. When you're ready, open your eyes. Bring that sense of peace into the rest of your day. Remember, you can return to this calm space anytime you need. Thank you for sharing these moments with me. Take care of your mind and your body. Both deserve your kindness. Take care of your mind and your body. Both deserve your kindness. Thank you.